welcome back to my YouTube. And right now I am going to try the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot soda. So, and my friend brought me an iced tea just in case it burns my mouth. So let's get to it. So, we're gonna try it. It's not even hot.
Told you?
Just wait when it kicks in.
No, it doesn't kick in until you chug the whole thing. Or it
Let
goes in
me
your
see.
nose.
Oh my god.
Zach, how?
I'm starting to feel something, but it's not even that hot.
He's over here making a big deal about it.
I was crying about it.
How? Motherfucker, I'll chug.
Alright guys, this wasn't even that hot. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye.